You just got it. You got your new Genesis Touch. Look at this blow molded case it comes with. Pew, splits in half. Take this side, put it on the wall maybe, and then you can grab your connector. Now, this is a nice feature. You ever find those places really hard to get to? Well, a little bit of extra length of cable not only allows it to hang, but allows you to get to those weird spots that some of those cheaper units but won't give you. Now, this is going to come with everything you need from 96 and up, right in that sweet spot. Now, you know, where warranty is gone. We're not excited about it, but it's good for business. So, also, look what else it has. That is the BMW connector and the Mercedes connector that will give you things like airbag and ABS. With that, I think we're ready to go. All right, let's talk connectivity a little bit. You got your new Touch, you plug it in with your vehicle communication interface with all your different accessory plugs. Boom! All of a sudden now, wireless Bluetooth is coming from the car right in to your Genesis Touch. It's amazing. Now, guess what? Goes the other direction. Not only is it a scan tool, it's also a reprogramming tool. Saves you having to buy another one. And don't tell anybody, but it's also a wireless device that runs through Wi-Fi, so you can also surf the web. Yep, I know. You think it just won't do anything else, but guess what? Embedded videos. Now, this doesn't mean you're just going to flip through and go to YouTube. This means under 1 minute videos that are specific for the component and the car that you're working on. And it's only going to show you the video that you need. And guess what that means? Boom, it's quick, boom, it's vehicle specific. And I know you're sad that my personal videos aren't in there, but you're just going to have to get over it. Now, one of the big reasons to get the new Genesis Touch is the auto detect. I mean, it knows what car you have. It knows what code you're throwing. It might even know some of the codes you used to throw. So, why wouldn't it just go ahead and search the web and start looking for fixes at Identifix? Well, guess what? It does it. And it does it automatically, and it does it fast. These are specific solutions for your make, model, code that you're throwing. And just inside here, 20 million different fixes that it's sorting. So guess what? You've probably got one that it might know a little something about.